My name is Baron and I'm the Digital Content and Course Director at Wolfang Digital Multimedia Training Center. I have over 20 years of experience in the video production industry, and that is why I believe I'm able to help our participants to understand better how to create content for their videos. We offer a huge range of courses in our center, ranging from videography to drone pilot training and even underwater videography. We also show them how to compile and combine all their videos together with video editing techniques. Some of the amazing features that I love about the R system is the user interface as well as the camera's ergonomics. The camera's ergonomics, the way it is designed, it makes shooting videos so much more easier, and I can get so much more stable and cinematic shots because the camera body is simply well thought out to let videographers produce content that are creative and immersive. In terms of the user interface, I feel that Canon has standardized the entire menu system from camera to camera. This makes it really great because for video shooters, they don't have to relearn anything because every one of the menus are similar and they can just let Canon handle the technology. They can focus on getting their shots. The next item that I love about the R system is the excellent autofocus. Previously, when I was using other brands, the focusing wasn't really spot on. But with the R system, everything is not just fast, it is super accurate. All we need to do is to put our energy into getting the story right, and we don't have to worry about technology because Canon is there to take care of that. The next feature that I'm so amazed with is the Canon color science, because I don't know what Canon put into their recipe to create their color science, but the colors that come right out of the camera is not only natural, they are pleasing and also flattering. This is something that I really love because it has helped us to reduce so much time in our video editing process. All these features that I just mentioned, we feel very proud to share with our participants and trainees. This in turn has equipped our trainees to upskill themselves to produce high quality, creative and attention-grabbing content. My name is Baron and I'm a Canon EOS Master.
Canon, delighting you always.